This guidance for parents is based on advice from the World Health Organization and the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control. It says it's okay to send a child to school if they only have nasal symptoms, such as a runny nose or a sneeze, and if they don't have a cough. Children can also go to school if they haven't been in close contact with a confirmed case of Covid-19. Parents are being advised not to send their child to school if they have a temperature of 38 degrees or more, or other symptoms of the virus, such as a new cough or shortness of breath, or if they've been in close contact with someone who has tested positive. If children meet any of the previous criteria, they should isolate at home until they've been clear of the symptoms for 48 hours. A GP should also be phoned, and all other occupants of the home should restrict their movements until after the child is given a diagnosis by a doctor or a COVID test result. A consultant in infectious diseases says low community transmission of the virus will be key to keeping COVID-19 out of schools, and he says cases can't be completely ruled out.
I think it's natural for parents to be concerned about children going back to school because there are a lot of unknowns. And I think the reality is that we will see cases popping up in schools. From time to time, we may even see the occasional outbreak in schools because that's what we've seen from international experience. We've got to be ready for that. We've got to be ready to manage it quickly.
To prevent a spread of the virus, parents are also advised to encourage children to wash their hands regularly, use tissues or elbows to cover coughs and sneezes, and to keep their distance from people who are sneezing or coughing, and not to share toys or food. In terms of face coverings, the Department of Education says they are not recommended for primary pupils, but face coverings are advised for secondary students. They are also recommended for teachers and staff at both levels when a physical distance of 2 metres can't be maintained. More of the advice can be found on the gov.ie/return to school or hse.ie/coronavirus websites.